a part of our basic maintenance is checking the command line. You can see that's the roll line. And what happens is these crack. And when they get old and brittle and they crack, you don't want them to flood your whole place out. So we'll put a much better line in. And make sure it's the one that has a very sturdy top to where this won't crack if it's ever tightened. Let me show you the label on that. The twist, click and seal. So every time we see one of these, we're going to replace it. Old command lines are no good. Not let something as simple as that not be maintained. They're pretty simple to undo and change out. They're so simple to do, and if you don't do them, what they can cause you in grief is a lot. And the top should need is hand tightened. That's pretty good. That one was not over tightened. So I don't think that one would have cracked. But when they're over tightened, these cheap ones, in time they become brittle and crack on you. And the new one goes in pretty simple. We don't want to get into a situation where we loosen this valve up when we're tightening that. So I just want to back this valve up so we don't loosen that up through while we're tightening this. Sorry about the camera still. Everything is tight, especially with the camera mode. Alright, now we're going to put our top piece on. And it's as simple as that. That can save you so much headache. And we'll let that click. And that's it, you're done. Alright, we were in the same building. You can see in the same kind of valve, so they did this all at one time. In the same exact line. It's going to be the same deal. We're going to get that changed out. We don't want any kind of problems with this cracking on us. That one had a little pressure in it. So I changed two of these in one place. Very good investment. Very good. Sorry about how I know there's not that much light in this area here. And this is a part of my routine, is getting these lines changed. Knowing what it can do if they're not. So if I can get everyone, check your command line. That would be a great thing. And keep your house from flooding out and save everyone a lot of hassle. And you'll never know if you did ever save yourself from all that. But you did know that you did some preventive maintenance and you may have saved your house from getting flooded just by maintaining your commode line and putting a better commode line in than the one you had. Same thing, we'll just click this one. That's 2 in one building. I feel a lot better about having these changed. Click and you're done. Alright, that's it. We did a good thing today. Maybe one day we save this building from getting flooded out by changing out these commode lines. And they really made some cheap commode lines out there at one point in time. And you can still buy them at the home center if you look at them. You can tell which ones are cheap and which ones are a little bit better. I really like the ones that are all metal with the metal not on there, but you simply just can't get those anymore. I believe you can get them online, and you can buy the metal lines, but you still get a plastic connector for it, which I'm not really too fond of. These are what I've been using just to maintain them and feel a little bit better about having a line on your commode that isn't going to split and flood your house out. This is what I've been doing. Basic maintenance.